So, eto na. Pupunta na kami sa Wolfgang with Bea Borres and with my friend, Fhukerat. Suffer OA.
Wait,
I'm walking with a famous and most trending sensation, Bea Borres. Oh my God, we have some Wolfgang. Wolfgang na siya. Say hi ka dito. Say hi ka dito. Oh my God, ito na. Good evening po. Ito na, T.
Are you excited?
Yes, I didn't try it at all. This is the most expensive I will ever get. Yeah. No.
Yeah, no.
Yes.
Yeah, no.
Yan siya. Ma-order na siya. Go. I'm ready. Are you ready? Sinabi niya sa kanya kung ano doon. Sinasalawi namin nga. Sabi niya, friendship daw. Mag-waitan daw kami doon sa Anas dito. Dito tayo mag-wait. Dito tayo mag-wait. Yan.
Okay, do you want anything? Do you want
No,
drinks?
I just want you. Dito ka. Sit.
Sino nga siya?
Si Fhukerat. Friend ko nga. He's my friend. He's been crying all day.
Wow.
Siya res. Isa Frank. Totoo siya.
Legit.
Totoo. You know what? I didn't expect me to meet you all.
Really?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting. This is not my dream. This is my dream, of course. Go. Picture na sila. Yan, di ba? Babalakan namin kayo if we are eating already. Babalikan namin kayo pag matapos na kami kumain. Ay, pag kumakain na kami. Go. Alam mo yung ginawa namin? Ayan na, kumakanta na. I can feel. Happy birthday.
Do you want to stay inside or do you want to stay outside?
Here.
Okay, here.
So alam mo yung ginawa namin, di ba, magkakatap dito yung upuan, dito yung isa, dito isa. Ginawa namin, nagkatabi kami. Ganyan, yung isa na dito. Ganyan. Diba, sobrang galing namin. OA. What's your order na?
I'll order for...
I want to order soft.
What's that?
Soft.
Soft drink?
Soft.
I'll just...
Soft.
Okay.
You should have a smashed potato.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
That's good.
Also, you want fries?
Sure. And the soft. They're soft of the day. Soft at all. Oh my God, we are so beautiful there. Oh my God. Thank you sa water, kuya. Ito na yung order namin. Dumating na siya.
Wait, yung Caesar salad tsaka yung soup.
Yeah, yung soup. Yeah.
Oh, really? O sige, kuya, paano
Paano na lang kami add?
Pa-add on
Softer
na lang.
soup. Yes, which I rice.
How about salad na order?
Caesar salad. Thank you. Okay na po. Good. Ayan na yung order namin.
It's not... yes. Are you happy?
I'm so happy, Bea. Thank you so much. So good. I thought this one is laing.
Yeah.
It's spinach.
Yeah, she was like, ano yan, laing? And I was like, oh my God, you're so funny. Ikaw din kaya yung kay Kelvin Miranda.
Yes. Do you see it?
I watched it.
Why? Oh, why did you not MM me? It's the right.
What?
It's the right thing that I'm doing.
What?
It's the right thing.
Yes. Ako personally...
We should share it together. Like, cheers and all. Cheers. Cheers then. Cheers it all. Cheers. Oh my God.
You like it?
Caesar salad.
Yeah.
Si Kuya nando was like...
Caesar salad, man.
Yes. Hindi ka kinaya ni Kuya.
Okay, kuya.
Nawala sa character si
Oo.
Kuya.
Oh,
Thank you, Kuya.
natawa ka, kuya? Hindi naman. Oh my God, so good.
How's the steak so far?
So good.
Anything, just let us know.
Yeah. I want some.
Ah!
Sarap. Suffer. Bakit?
You're so funny! Ay, nakita.
The Spanish is so good.
First.
Thank you.
Good, right?
It's so good. Ang sarap Makati. Suffer. Grabe.
Si Red, tagaan siya.
Iloilo. Sabi ka?
Yeah, I know her.
She's a very good friend. She's so kind. So good. Thank you so much.
You want more?
No. Mag-eat lang kami. Antay namin yung sauce. Yung French onion soup, super perfect niya. Natikman natin. Do you want to try that? Where is this your spot?
This one.
Okay. Try it.
There's a
Do you want to... Gusto mo?
there's a proper way to eat. But I think it's
Yeah.
like that, but I forgot.
Yeah, it's like this. And you should not blow it. Stop. Let it go. Like this. Oh, eh. Oh, I don't... I should not eat this because it's hot. Pero when I make it, snow. Ay,
Waliw ka.
blow it. Do you blow? The soft. Okay, let's blow it.
Blue one.
That's fun. Ay, Bea, you're so bad. Oh, it's so good. Oh, Eka. It's so good.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it very much. Oh, for the fries. The sauce. Do you want it?
You want mac and cheese?
No. I want, but it's so mahal, I think.
Are you sure this is enough?
Huh. I should try this. I should try this. So good.
You like it?
Thank you.
Bababay na kami. Mag-eat na kami. Cancer, crab. You.
I'm a Capricorn.
Oh! Bye-bye.
So you...
Okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye na, Ray.
When's your birthday?
Mag-eat na kami.